YouTube, what it do, what it do? Yeah, I see what's going on. I'm on a rotation, cause I'll take my dad to the shop, give me trophies, you know what I'm saying? Get that routine. Just give y'all a little update, you know what I'm saying? Nothing new. What's up with y'all though, man? I'm looking broke, I need a haircut, man. I'm looking broke, got badges under my eyes. This ain't what's up, man. It's fair. Traffic and shit, man. Look at this shit. There ain't too much traffic though. Check out that truck sitting on the side road right here. You know what I'm saying? What y'all got going on today, man? Talk to me. I don't talk to y'all too long. Hey, yo, man, I gotta take my goddamn daddy truck to Homewood, Alabama. Yes, sir. Oh, Alabama. You know what I'm saying? Know y'all hear that? Ooh. V8 player. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. Oh, what you doing, Pops? Oh. Yes, sir. Man, y'all see what the fuck going on, man. I don't even know what the hell going on. Look at this shit, cuz. Fuck these niggas got going on. Blow the horn at them niggas. Lord have mercy. Oh, no, the hell they got going on, man. You get that shit out the road, man. Stop playing. Y'all hear that shit? Stop playing. Rise to V10, them motherfuckers. Stop playing now. The big get loose now. Hey, y'all subscribe to my channel, man. I'm trying to make it, man. Y'all help me out, man. Subscribe to my channel. I'm just gonna talk to you, man. I ain't got no fire ass whoop. I ain't got none of that shit. To be honest with you. Just want to talk to you. That's all. Just want to talk to you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I know I need to get a haircut, man. I can't tell. I know my shit ain't connecting over here, man. I just got to comb that motherfucker, man. It came and got me. So I got to comb my shit. For real. It's all good, though. Shit going all 2021. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Man, I'll holler at y'all later, man. I'll probably get y'all update what's going on when I get back.